If you ever copied and pasted data one cell at a time to reformat it, I'm so sorry nobody told you about flash fill. This is going to hurt a little. This feature is called flash fill. It's been in Excel since 2013, and I bet most people watching this have never used it once. I'm going to show you how it works. I've got 5 examples lined up: names, phone numbers, emails, dates, and combining columns. Let's go. Example 1. Split full name into first and last. Look at column A. Full name, some in lowercase, some in uppercase, completely inconsistent. I need the first name in column B and last name in column C. Now watch, I click B6 and type John. I press enter and we enter the magic key, Control E. There we go. Now let's go to the surnames. I'll type Smith in C6 and hit enter, then Control E. Watch the magic. Notice it even handled the apostrophe in O'Brien without blinking. No formula, no manual work. Example 2, reformat phone numbers. This is the one that gets people. Look at this column. Same phone number, 5 completely different formats. Dashes, brackets, dots, spaces, total chaos. I want them all as this format. So I type that format once in the first cell, and as I hit enter, I press Control E. And every single one reformats instantly. Now, normally this would take a lot of time if we manually formatted everything. So Excel's flash fill figured out that all those different strings are phone numbers and standardized them. Example 3, extract username from email. Now emails, I've got a full email column. I just want the username, everything before the @ sign. So let's click B34 and I'll type john.smith, press enter, then Control E. So see, one example, Control E, it stripped every domain perfectly. Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, company, didn't matter. It just knew you wanted everything before the @ No left formula, no find function, no formula at all, just a pattern. Example 4, reformat dates. Dates stored as text like 202401115. This drives everyone mad. I want it as this date format. So I'll click B48 and type 15/01/2024, press enter. Now here's something important, a tip. Whenever we use flash fill and the data is complicated, we have to give Excel multiple patterns. So I typed that in the first cell. Let's type the date in the second cell below it as well, so Excel understands the pattern. So 03/02/2024. Now when we hit enter, we'll press Control E. There we go. We got what we wanted. Example 5, combine columns. Now last one, combining. I've got city in column A and country in column B. I want a single label like Karachi, Pakistan. So we click the cell, type Karachi, Pakistan, press enter. Right, over here, we would enter more patterns to make Excel understand easier. So I would be typing London, UK. There we go. You can see it pulled from both columns and combined them with the comma and space exactly as I showed it. This is what the concate formula does, but flash fill needs 0 syntax. Pro tip, 2 things to know when it doesn't work. 1, give it a second example. Sometimes you have to type your desired output in cells 1 and 2 before pressing Control E. More examples means Excel can spot the pattern more reliably. 2, your raw data needs to be in an adjacent column. Flash fill looks at the column directly next to where you're typing, so don't leave a gap. And that's it. If you've found this video helpful, do like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. And tell me in the comments, what video should I make next? Thank you very much.